Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at page 35 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1. And this is Grandfather's Clock, which has a DCL fine, which is going to take us from the end of the second line back to the beginning. Watch for the repeat at the end of the first line. Oh, and watch your keys. We're in the key of F here. So everything is natural except for the B. So E's and A's will be in second. Right, and next we have Kum Ba Yah, which is on the slow side. And we have a surprise visitor. Okay, let me put you on the couch. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.